Hi, my name is Keith Mazza. Most of you know me as Sifu Keith. Welcome to our channel.
Hey everybody, Sifu Keith here, and our video today comes from our Wing Chun training. It is a Pak Sao Bong Sao Jut Sao training routine to help increase your fluidity. But before we get there, I need you to go to the boxes, click like and subscribe, and click the bell to always be kept up with our latest videos. Once again, thank you for your continued support, and have a great day.
Same routine. He's going to throw a straight punch. I'm going to half step back. My Pak Sao is on the inside. My Bong Sao's on the outside. He's going to throw a low punch. I'm going to Jut Sao. Right from there, this punch, just to start developing some Dan Sao energy, I'm going to punch from here. He's going to half step back and Pak Sao. That's on the inside, correct? Bong Sao on the outside. Jut Sao. Fires the Jut Sao back at me. I move. So you want to turn this into the Jut. I'm fine with that. Jut. Bong. Jut. Punch one. Punch two. Punch three. First one, high punch. Second one, high punch. Third one, low punch. I go back. High punch. High punch. Low punch. Pak Sao on the inside. Bong Sao on the outside. Jut Sao and fire it right back. Pak. Bong, Jut, Pak, Bong, Jut, Pak, Bong, Jut. Everybody okay with that? Nice and slow. You need to see it again. Maybe we should do it from this side once. So again, straight punch comes in. My either a Pak or a Jut on the inside. Bong Sao, Jut Sao. I fire it back from here and he matches my step with a Pak or a Jut. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. It's just a reflex drill, guys. Staying cross arm. Half step forward, half step back.
And don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and share buttons. And when you hit the subscribe button, please hit the bell notification to all, so we can let you know as soon as we put out a new video. And we want you to know that we're here for you. So leave your comments below. We're going to get back to each and every one of you to make sure your questions get answered.
And once again, thank you. We look forward to being your all things Wing Chun and more for many years to come.